Ayé mi tèmi bá mi. Jesus is Lord.
Haba. Which kind of wahala be this one now? Why things just dey like this now? Why things just dey like this? Look at what's going on in the country. Fuel is so hard to get. Woman cannot even afford fuel. See this one, that election is around the corner. These people want us to see vote for these old people. They don't even know what we are facing, what youth are facing. What's going on now? What is happening, sir? Which kind of thing is this one now? This one that I even say that they say we should either vote for Atiku or Tinubu. Which one is even good, sir? This one that things are just so scattered, things are just so hard. What's going on?
Not too much.
Yeah, I'm even tired of this country. Oga Donmon, I'm even talking, you are not even responding. Oga Donmon, I think this thing no dey affect you.
The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us.
Waiting I do you. As you see me like this, they enjoy like this. The thing they pain you, waiting I do you. Why you come there?
There is God in everything we are doing.
As I dey enjoy my peace like this, you no like am.
You know if you waiting dey happen.
And you know they like am. I say, see, all these politics, whatever, complain. You know they solve one thing. Enjoy your life, oh, if you can enjoy. If you cannot enjoy, endure.
Be in danger.
If 2023 come,
God have mercy upon us
and vote. You don't need to talk. You don't need to say whether it is APC or whether it is PTB. Anything where I talk now, they fit come pick me. I don't go talk. But when that time come, I go vote.
So which one? Who are you voting?
I know they talk.
Come give me advice now.
We must learn a lesson.